Hurricane Beryl, forming in late June, rapidly intensified into a record-breaking storm that ravaged multiple countries over 2 weeks. It devastated Caribbean islands, moved underwater barriers, and caused widespread power outages. Beryl became the earliest Category 4 hurricane on record in the Atlantic and peaked as a Category 5 storm with 165 mph winds. The hurricane impacted several countries before making final landfall in Texas as a Category 1 storm. Its remnants continued to cause tornadoes and flooding across the eastern U.S. The storm's death toll has surpassed 20, with recovery efforts still ongoing in many affected areas.